Indian flatbread pizza, the paneer cheese comes in 12-ounce bricks. So this is one 12-ounce brick, diced very small, between a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. To the marinade, to our 3/4 cup to 1 cup of Greek yogurt, we have the tablespoon of curry powder, the teaspoon of chili powder, a large clove of grated or pasted garlic, and an inch of ginger grated or minced. To that, we're going to add some acidity, a little fresh lime juice, 1 lime, and fenugreek leaf, which smells so much like curry to me. It's nutty and herbaceous and just fabulous. That's an option. You can make this just with some chili powder and, of course, your curry mixture. We're going to add a tablespoon or a drizzle of mustard oil. You can make your own mustard oil too, of course. You can just put a little oil in a pan with some mustard seed, let it steep, take on the color and the flavor, strain it, and there you go. You got mustard oil. So now we're going to add the cheese and marinate it. I took 1/2 of an onion, pretty small onion, and I'm just cooking that up in a touch of olive oil and just getting them a little soft. And now I'm going to turn the heat up on our griddle. I told you we cook the naan twice. If you read the package directions on breads that you buy in the store, these are garlic. It'll tell you to add a splash of water to the pan. In this case, a griddle. And then you put them top side down to blister them, okay? So that's step 1. Meantime, I'm going to add our marinade and the paneer cheese, the Indian style cheese that's been marinating, with the curry, fenugreek, and more chili, garlic, ginger, lime juice. We're going to add that to the pan, and really what we're doing is browning the cheese. We'll flip our naan. And we're going to brush them with just a little lovely baste of melted butter. I'm just going to blister the top again now that I've added the butter. That's what you want. That gorgeous char is what you're looking for, guys. To build the pizza, this is 1 brick of mozzarella. We use 12 ounces of paneer, and that would be enough to make 4 pizzas. I'm just making 2 right now for my sister and my mom, and I'll make some for us a little bit later. But I also took a 1-pound brick of mozzarella, the firm stuff, you know, from the dairy section in the grocery. And I'm just going to put a little down. We're going to put a little more on top, so don't go crazy. So now I'm going to take a little of our paneer and scatter that around. We're going to scatter in a little of those peppers and onions. And then I'm going to scatter in, for fun, a couple of curry leaves. And then a little more of the mozz, as I said, on top. These guys are going in. Again, I don't have a broiler, so this may take a couple minutes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, yes, and yes, please. Amazing. We're going to cut this into 4, and then we top the pizza with a little cilantro or parsley, a little scallion, yum, hot pepper rings, yes please, and sprinkles. I have both white roasted and black roasted sesame seeds.